Hello my beautiful besties, I have an update for you people. If you've been looking for a simple way to make quick money from home, this video is for you. You see this fine purse? You can sew it yourself and sell it fast to make extra cash this week. So I've been cashing out on this purse. I said, okay, let me come and drop this update for you my people so that you also cash out with me. So today's DIY, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this beautiful purse. So these are the materials I'll be needing for this project. So I have my synthetic leather and I have my 1/2 inch foam. You can actually use any fabric of your choice. If you don't have leather, you can use Ankara, you can use satin or any fabric of your choice. So I've gone ahead to cut out the measurement I'll be needing to make this purse. So the measurement I'll be needing to make this purse, for the width I use 12 inches and for the height I use 13 inches. So after cutting out the required measurements, go ahead and create the designs on the purse. So to create a design, I'm going to be marking my leather like this or any fabric you're going to be needing to make the purse. So you can use your ruler to create the lines. I'm already used to freehand, so if you're not good with freehand, please use your ruler to achieve accuracy. So after creating the lines on my pattern, the next thing I'll do, I'll just head over to my sewing machine and sew on the lines. So before sewing on the lines, I'll first of all sew on the 4 corners of my pattern to keep the leather and the foam in place. So after doing that, just go ahead and start sewing on the lines. Make sure you use a matching thread and make sure your lines are straight. So after sewing on the first lines, go ahead and repeat the same thing on the crossed lines. So after creating the designs on your pattern, so just go ahead and trim out the excess foam around your pattern. So after doing all that, you should have your pattern looking like this. So after creating this design on our pattern, the next thing is to start forming the purse. So we are going to be needing our lining of the same measurement. So I've gone ahead to cut my lining using the same measurement. So for the handle of the purse, just use the same fabric and form a little strap like this for the handle of your purse. So to make the purse, after cutting out my lining using the same measurement with my pattern, I'll go ahead and fold my lining into 2 and divide this lining into 2 equal halves. So the next thing to do is to fix the zipper to the purse. So I'm going to be placing my zipper like this on the purse, right side facing right side. So after placing my zipper, so make sure you open up your zipper just the way you can see me do. So I'm going to place the right part of the zip on the right part of my purse and I'm going to be sewing like this. So after fixing the zip, the next thing to do is to fix the lining. So I'm going to place one of the lining on my zip and sew like this. And I'll go ahead to repeat the same thing on the opposite side. So after fixing the lining, the next thing I'll do, I'll just go ahead and flip in the lining like this and I'll be top stitching on my pattern like this, very close to the zip. So this will help the lining stay in place. So make sure your stitches, make sure your top stitch is very neat. So after fixing the lining, I'll go ahead and open up my pattern like this and I will fold it into 2 equal parts like this with the lining facing up. So the next thing to do is to close the 2 sides by 1/2 inch. So I'll be starting with the side with the open end of the zip. So I'll be starting from the point where I have my zipper. I will sew down for like 1 inch before inserting the handle inside. So just go ahead, after sewing down by 1 inch, just go ahead and insert the strap inside like this and make sure you double stitch very well so the strap can stay in place. So after doing that, I'll just go ahead and close up the lining by the side. So after sewing one side like this, I'll go over to the other side and I'll push in the zip head in a little and I'll cut off the excess zip. So after cutting out the excess zipper, I'll go ahead and close up this side by 1/2 inch. So after closing the 2 sides, go ahead and turn out your purse just as you can see me doing. So after turning out the purse like this, on this open end, that is the open end of this lining, I'll just tuck in 1/2 inch, just as you can see me doing. And after that, I'll just go ahead and close up. So friends, this is basically all for this tutorial. Let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.